I'm watching the summer trends and I'm really excited about them, but some of them are a definite no, in my opinion. So what I'm going to show you today are 5 mistakes that you could be wearing with the new summer trends, and more importantly, how to fix them. What is the after look that actually works? Let's start with mistake number 1. The trend I'm seeing is to wear all beige. They say it's an elegant look, and I'm going to suggest that this is a big no, especially if you have my type of skin color. And since we're not supposed to be basking in the sun anymore and getting tans, this monochromatic look is just washing us out, and frankly, it's looking boring. So let's get out of the drab and into the fab. Believe it or not, brown is a big trending color this summer. And I just bought this new skirt, and look at the length. It's longer than most of my skirts, and I wanted to share this with you since it's lightweight, has zip pockets, an easy elastic waistband, and if you don't like brown, there's about 30 other colors and patterns to choose from, and it's only $38. Now there's no excuse not to wear a skirt. No matter how breezy the summer is, you got those shorts underneath to protect you. And yes, you can still wear leopard print, just not all the time. This gorgeous silky top was on sale last time I checked for about $20, and I love how high the armholes are to hide some of that, flabby stuff under our arms that a lot of us get there. Just add strappy sandals and you've got a fabulous chic look. And of course, I could have worn sneakers and a casual top with that skirt. And if you're looking for that skirt or any of the items that I'm modeling today, you can find them underneath the video description and also in the first comment. And of course, if you go to amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, you're going to find all my summer fashion, including sandals and swimsuits. I even have a new section there for sports activities, things you can play in the backyard like cornhole and all of those badminton, that sort of thing. So don't forget to check it out. But for now, we're on mistake number 2. I know these are trending and both of my daughters bought these, so I thought I'd give them a go. They are high-waisted zip-up jeans with the wide legs, and I just got them from a popular mall store. Now, when I put them on, I thought I looked fabulous, but then I sat down, and even though there's some stretch, that zipper just dug right into my stomach. Now, most of the time, I'm going out for a bite to eat in a summer outing, and this is definitely going to be a no-go. I'm sticking with my sculpting jeans from Lee, with a stretchy, wide waistband. And last time I checked, they were on sale for just $35, and they come in petite and tall sizes. I can sit in these for hours, and I don't need to unzip my pants as I'm eating, which someone for sure will notice. I added my new cotton linen blend top, which is just an amazing $12 and goes to size 3XL. Add my slip-in sneakers, by Skechers, and also this beautiful belt for $12 and a straw bag, and I'm all set for that restaurant patio. And by the way, the slimmer jeans are still trending. The ones that aren't trending anymore are the skinny jeans. And I don't know, it's hit and miss with me for the wide jeans. And definitely, those barrel jeans where they're like really wide and then they go into a skinny little ankle. No. I think for a lot of us women, they're extremely frumpy looking, right? And oh, by the way, don't forget whenever you do order something online, know your own measurements and also compare them to every single outfit. But for now, we're on mistake number 3. Let's address the full one-piece jumper. Now, yes, it's beautiful and trending, but let's face it, us women of a certain age need to use the ladies' room a few times a day, and some of those craft fairs and festivals, the ones with the outhouses, Have you checked the floors in the outhouses? Now, I don't mean to get gross here, but you almost have to get totally undressed. And even at a nice restaurant, this is a hassle. So let's look at this alternative. If you're wearing a jumper like that, you're choosing to cover up. But how about wearing a full-length dress like this one? And last time I checked, it was on sale for just $46. It's so easy breezy. And if I wanted to cover my arms, I could always put on the back-to-belly overtop that covers and still has the airflow so you can keep cool. And it's just $27, and I've got it in about 4 different colors. Now I've got my Skechers slip-in sneakers for $60, just to show a little bit more of a casual vibe. And I added the Save the Girl cell phone purse and my amazing fold-up Ray-Ban sunglasses. And I can go almost anywhere in this very chic outfit. And let me know in the comments if any of these befores and afters are kind of resonating with you. I love my community here. I love reading your comments, and I want to know what you're going to be wearing this summer. What's some of your favorites? And we can share them all together. Oh, and don't forget to stay until the end of the video because, as usual, I'm going to have another inspirational message for you. But for now, we're on number 4. What's with this chiffon look with a bra underneath? Hey, I get it. It's hot out there and we want airflow, but this trend just looks like at our age we're trying too hard. Now, I'm all for the airflow and trying another material, but how about this airflowy lacy top by Pretty Garden for just $45? Now, the lace is stretchy, so that's a bonus. And you can wear just a skin tone bra underneath, or if you're a little bit more modest, a skin tone camisole. It's available in 12 colors, and for sure, I'm going to get another color of this. I paired it with a Belief skirt for just about $36, where I wear often in the summer. It's available in other colors as well. And because this is a fancier top, I put on that fabulous navy stretchy belt that's just $12, and adding my blue aviator glasses, a straw hat for $24, I feel like I have a trendy, stylish look that makes me appear classy and not trashy. And if you like styling videos like this, made by a former model and maybe somebody a little closer to your age, I would love, love, love for you to subscribe. There's a button down there somewhere. Oh, and don't forget to click on the notification bell, because if you don't, you probably won't be seeing my newer videos. But for now, let's take a look at that next tip. You'll see many of the younger women wearing bicycle shorts. But if you're still wearing them, chances are you have a big t-shirt over top to hide your belly and you just look sloppy and frumpy. Now, I know I love skirts, but I also know that many of you still want to wear shorts. And I hear you, so here's my choice. A pair of shorts that aren't tight around the thighs, like this pair, which last time I checked was on sale for 25% off and just $30. They have pockets and feel easy breezy on. I just paired them with a fabulous quick dry material top, and it's perfect for the hot weather. That was on sale last time I checked for just about $13. Add a skinny stretchy belt and that Save the Girls cell phone purse, where you might be wondering about the Save the Girls, and a lot of their profits go to breast cancer research. Add my flip-flop Crocs for about $30, and you could easily take this outfit anywhere this summer, especially if it's a hot day. Now, I've been told I'm absolutely crazy to do this, but for $10, the cost of like 2 coffees, I am going to offer you my wellness, health, fitness program, just $10, and it's been valued at $100. You know, I really want to help women. You know, I'm always helping with fashion, the outside, right? The glow up from the outside, makeup. I want you to glow from the inside. I really want you to have that confidence. And my daughter's involved in this as well. And she's a wellness practitioner, Tai Chi, that sort of thing. She does videos in here, help you with sleeping, stress relief. You know, she even teaches you an acupressure, and I've done it on my knees, and I'm actually walking better. I don't have the pain in my knees. So there's just so many things for you. And there's also a private community. I want to talk to you in the private community. You know, I can't really do it here on this platform, but let's talk to each other. Let's cheer each other on. And how you find it? Just go to www.agewellwithheather.com. Don't forget the www, but I'm also going to put that link in the video description and also in the first comment. So let's all get on board with this. You know, we need longevity, we need confidence, we need to do something now so the rest of our years are easier. So I really hope I see your name pop up. But for now, let's talk about the summer. I've got an inspirational message for you. But the first question is, do you cringe when you think about swimsuits? Well, it's time, especially if you've got grandchildren, it's time to start splashing around in a pool again, enjoying, and it's great exercise as well, just enjoying yourself and your grandkids if you have them. And you might say to yourself, well, I don't have a pool and I don't like the public pools. Okay, I get that. But do you know that if you check out and Google, you'll probably find some hotels that have pools that offer, you know, a day pass. And we've gone to those and they're just fantastic. And you know what's even better about that? The fact that you can order a pina colada and sort of sip on it as you're enjoying, just relaxing by the pool. I've also mentioned to many people outside of social media that Bill and we have fold-up bikes, and they just can't believe that they're even available. And so I thought I'd share that with you today, because we just fold up these bikes and put them in our back seat of our car. Like, I don't know, you know those racks that go on the back of the car? I just don't want to use them. But putting them in the back seat of the car, they're nice and safe and everything. So we just hit the bike trails, enjoy the beautiful days and the forest. A lot of the bike trails have got kind of a forested canopy. And I'll also put that information about those bikes in the first comment and also in the video description. Last week I mentioned how we should get out our day timers and, you know, call friends and families and start booking up some of those weekends. But for other weekends, you know, you just want to do something that you want to enjoy. So I'm going to suggest that you make up a list of 20 things that you definitely want to enjoy this summer. Last weekend, we found the best gelato place, and we loved the mango gelato. And we've been to Italy, so we're definitely going to go back to this place, which is right in our city. What else? Maybe you have 3 books that you really want to read, and pick a place, you know, maybe in a park or in your own backyard under a tree, and just plan those days where you're just relaxing. How we embrace the summers now and in the future, it's so, so important. And also last weekend, we found, this is just incredible, we found the best, it's like a wood-fired pizza, thin crust, and my husband said, you know what, the next time we get this, let's just wrap it up and take it on a picnic. And I thought, oh my gosh, that's such a great idea, and it's going on the list. I would also love to know from you, what would be some of the things on your list? And let's really help each other to be loving our age.